Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Have you read the chapter, The Talkative Turtle? Okay, you have read. Very good. So, yesterday in previous class, we have done the difficult word and word meanings of chapter, The Talkative Turtle. Today, we are going to do true, false, question answers, and think and answer. Okay, so we are going to do all these three. So, let's start with true and false. First, the turtle had two rabbits as his good friends. So, what do you think? Is this answer true or false? This is false because the turtle had two swans, not rabbit. He had two swans as his good friends. Okay? Second, the swans flew far and wide in search of a lake. So, did the swans fly far and wide in search of a lake or not? Yes, true. Yes, they searched for a lake which is full of water. They searched a lake for their friend Tullu turtle. Third, the people of the village were staring at the sight of two swans carrying a frog in the sky. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. So, why this statement is false? Yes, this statement is false because the swans were carrying a turtle. Okay, the swans were carrying a turtle in the sky. So, here frog is written. Instead of frog, turtle should be there. So, they were carrying a turtle, not a frog. That's why this statement is false. Fourth, as soon as Tullu opened his mouth, he fell down. Yes, true or false? Yes, true. This statement is correct. So, we have to write true. This statement is true. Okay, as soon as he opened his mouth to shout, what's the matter? Okay, and why to say what's the matter, why people are shouting. As soon as he opened his mouth to say this, he fell down and the people of the town caught him and made a feast out of him. So, this statement is true. So, पहला आज हम करेंगे ट्रू और फॉल्स. इसमें पहला स्टेटमेंट है कि जो टर्टल है उसके फ्रेंड्स थे दो रैबिट, बहुत ही अच्छे फ्रेंड्स थे. ये ट्रू है या फॉल्स है? ये फॉल्स है. क्यों फॉल्स है? क्योंकि उसके जो फ्रेंड्स थे वो रैबिट नहीं स्वैन्स थे. तो यहाँ पे रैबिट्स जो है वो गलत है, इसलिए स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है. द स्वैन्स फ्लू फार एंड वाइड इन सर्च ऑफ अ लेक. Yes, this statement is correct because they searched for a lake. Why they searched for a lake? Because they searched for a lake for their friend Tullu turtle. Okay, so that's why this statement is correct. So we have to write true. The people of the village were staring at the sight of two swans carrying a frog in the sky. तो जो लोग हैं वो घूर रहे थे, क्या नज़ारा देख रहे थे कि दो स्वैन्स एक फ्रॉग को ले जा रहा है. फ्रॉग मेंढक को ले जाते हुए वो देख रहे थे आसमान में. क्या ये सही है या गलत है? ये गलत है. क्यों गलत है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे फ्रॉग लिखा हुआ है. फ्रॉग को नहीं ले जा रहे थे, वो ले जा रहे थे अपने फ्रेंड टर्टल को, टुल्लू को, जो कि एक टर्टल है. टर्टल का मतलब कछुआ. टर्टल का मतलब कछुआ. ओके. As soon as Tullu opened his mouth, he fell down. तो फोर्थ है, जैसे टुल्लू ने अपना मुंह खोला वो नीचे गिर गया. ये स्टेटमेंट बिल्कुल सही है. वो जैसे उसने मुंह खोला क्या बोलने के लिए कि क्या बात है, लोग क्यों चिल्ला रहे हैं, ये मुंह बोलने के लिए मुंह खोलते साथ ही वो नीचे गिर गया. तो ये स्टेटमेंट बिल्कुल सही है. नाउ वी विल डू part B, that is answer the following questions. So our first question is, who were Tullu's friends? So answer, two swans were Tullu's friends. Who were Tullu's friends? the two swans were Tullu's friends. Okay, तो टुल्लू के फ्रेंड कौन थे? दो स्वैन टुल्लू के फ्रेंड थे. Question number 2. Why did Tullu ask swans to look for another lake? So what was the reason that Tullu asked his friends to look for another lake, to search for another lake? Why did he ask his friends? Because the answer is Tullu asked swans to look for another lake because the lake in which he was living was drying up because of no rain. So Tullu asked his friends swans to search for another lake. To look for means to search for some another lake. Why? Because the lake in which he was living was drying up. Why the lake was drying up? Because there was no rainfall that year. So because of no rain means because of no rain, the lake in which the Tullu turtle was living was drying up and the water level started decreasing. That's why Tullu requested his friends swans to search for some another lake. To look for means search. तो टुल्लू ने अपने फ्रेंड स्वैन्स को क्यों कहा कि वो दूसरा लेक ढूंढे? टुल्लू ने स्वैन्स को कहा कि वो दूसरा लेक ढूंढे क्योंकि जो लेक जिसमें वो रहता था वो सूख रहा था. क्यों सूख रहा था? क्योंकि उस साल कोई बारिश नहीं हुई. देयर वॉज नो रेन. बारिश ना होने की वजह से वो सूखने लग गया था, इसलिए. हाउ डिड द स्वैन्स कैरी टुल्लू? The answer, the two swans carried Tullu by holding a stick from both ends and Tullu hanging on it with the mouth. So the two swans, they carried Tullu the turtle by holding a stick. Like suppose this is a stick, so they hold the stick from both the ends. So both the ends they hold the stick and Tullu hanged on it with the help of his mouth. So he firmly held the stick with his mouth from the middle part, and the two swans they carried Tullu turtle by holding the stick from both the ends. From either ends they held the stick very tightly and Tullu held the stick from middle part with the help of his mouth. Okay, in this way swans carried Tullu turtle. Question number 4. Why did swans ask Tullu not to talk while they carried him? So what was the reason that swans requested Tullu not to speak a single word? Why? While they carried him? Answer. The swans asked Tullu not to talk while they carried him, otherwise he would fall down. Because the swans were carrying the Tullu turtle, and they were in air. So if in case he opened his mouth to speak anything, then he will fall down. That's why they requested Tullu not to talk anything, or because otherwise if he speaks he would fall down. That he will fall down and he will die. Okay, that's why swans asked Tullu not to talk. So swans ने टुल्लू को क्यों कहा कि आप बात मत करना जब हम आपको कैरी कर रहे होंगे, यानी कि उठा के उड़ा रहे होंगे तब? क्योंकि आंसर है इसका क्योंकि उस स्वैन्स ने टुल्लू को रिक्वेस्ट किया कि आप कुछ भी मत बोलना जब वो उसको कैरी कर रहे थे, क्योंकि अगर वो ऐसा नहीं करेगा, अगर वो बोलेगा तो वो नीचे गिर जाएगा. ही विल फॉल डाउन का मतलब नीचे गिर जाएगा, इसलिए. ठीक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. वाई डिड टुल्लू ओपन हिज माउथ? सो व्हाट was the reason that Tullu finally opened his mouth? Answer. Tullu opened his mouth to speak. What is the matter? Why are people shouting? So you know that we have read the story and we know that Tullu turtle, while the swans were carrying the Tullu turtle, after nearly half the distance, Tullu saw a town below and people were staring at them. They were shouting because they were amazed by the scenery that two swans were carrying a turtle with the help of a stick. So the people were very in a very surprised to see that. So they were shouting, people were shouting, they were speaking in speaking with each other, and they were shouting also. So Tullu saw that, and he opened his mouth to speak that what is the matter, why are people shouting, what happened, why are people shouting. He opened his mouth to say these words, and that's how he fell down. Okay, तो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है टुल्लू ने अपना मुंह क्यों खोला. टुल्लू ने अपना मुंह खोला ये बोलने के लिए क्या बात है, लोग क्यों चिल्ला रहे हैं. क्यों उसने ऐसा बोला, क्योंकि वो ऊपर से देख रहा था कि बहुत सारे लोग जो है उनको देखकर चिल्ला रहे थे, इसलिए उसने मुंह खोल दिया बोलने के लिए कि क्या बात होगी, क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो. ठीक है. नाउ वी विल डू पार्ट सी, दैट इज थिंक एंड आंसर. दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू फर्स्ट थिंक एंड देन यू हैव टू गिव आंसर. देयर आर ओनली 2 क्वेश्चन इन पार्ट सी. So let's do question number 1. Did the turtle do any wrong by not obeying his friend's advice? Give reason. So what do you think? What do you think? Did the turtle do any wrong by not obeying his friend's advice? Swans advised the turtle not to speak, but he opened his mouth to speak. So what do you think? What do you think? Was it wrong or right? So the answer is the turtle lost his life by not obeying his friend's advice. If he had obeyed, he would have lived in the new lake. Okay, so now the turtle did not obey his friend's advice, and finally he opened his mouth to speak, and as soon as he opened his mouth he fell down, and people of the town caught him and they made a feast out of him. Yes or no? Yes. So at the end the turtle lost his life. Okay, that means he died. Why did this happen? Because he did not obey his friend's advice. His friends advised him not to speak, but he did not obey. That's why he ended up losing his life, because he fell down, and the people of the town caught him and made a feast out of him. So if he had obeyed, he would have lived in the new lake. So if he had obeyed and he remained silent at that time, he would have lived in the new lake, which is full of water. Okay, now question number 2. What would you have done if you were in Tullu's place? So if you were Tullu turtle, what you have done? Answer: if I were in Tullu's place, I would have understood the danger of opening the mouth and not talk at all. So if I were in Tullu's place, I would not talk at all, at any cost. Why? Because I would have understood the danger, because it is very dangerous to open the mouth. Because if I were a turtle, I can see that we are at a very good height, and people are standing down below. Okay, so if I would have understood the danger, that it is very dangerous to open the mouth in such a situation. So I would not have opened the mouth at all. Okay, तो यहाँ पे पहला क्वेश्चन तो ये है कि अगर टुल्लू टर्टल ने क्या गलत किया कि उसने अपने फ्रेंड्स की एडवाइस को ना मानकर, तो आंसर है टुल्लू टर्टल अपने जान गंवा बैठा. कैसे? क्योंकि उसने अपने फ्रेंड्स की एडवाइस को नहीं माना. अगर वो अपने फ्रेंड्स के एडवाइस को मान लेता तो वो न्यू लेक में रह रहा होता है इस टाइम पे, है ना. उसके फ्रेंड्स ने एडवाइस किया उसको कि भाई आप अपना मुंह मत खोलना चाहे कुछ भी हो, पर उसने खोला, और जैसे ही उसने खोला वो नीचे आके गिर गया, और नीचे आके गिरा तो लोगों ने उसको पकड़ लिया और उसका फीस्ट बना दिया. तो ऐसे में वो जो है बहुत ज़्यादा मीन्स गलत किया उसने बोल के, क्योंकि उसको लास्ट में अपनी जान गंवानी पड़ी और वो मर गया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, व्हाट वुड यू हैव डन इफ़ यू वर इन टुल्लू's प्लेस? तो आप क्या करते अगर आप टुल्लू की जगह होते? तो if I were in Tullu's place, I would have understood the danger of opening the mouth and not talked at all. अगर मैं टुल्लू की जगह होता तो मैं समझता कि बहुत डेंजरस हो सकता है ये काम, और मैं अपना मुंह, बहुत डेंजरस हो सकता है मुंह खोलना, इसलिए मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं बोलता किसी भी कीमत पे, क्योंकि मुंह से तो उसने वो स्टिक पकड़ रखा है, और वो स्टिक जो है जैसे उसने मुंह खोला वैसे वो नीचे गिर गया, तो ये बहुत डेंजरस बात है इतनी हाइट से गिरना, और वो भी लोगों के बीच में, और इस वजह से उसको अपनी जान गंवानी पड़ी। इसलिए अगर हम होते उस जगह पे तो बिल्कुल भी मुंह नहीं खोलते, ठीक है, क्योंकि हमें उसका डेंजर का पता होता है कि बहुत डेंजरस है। सो वी हैव डन पार्ट ए, that is true false. Part B, answer the following questions, and part C, think and answer of the chapter 3 of English, the talkative turtle. So you have to fill the true false in book and write these questions in your fair notebook, okay, in a very good and beautiful handwriting. So I hope you understood today's class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.